Third weekend na ng Little Shop of Horrors. Naging special ang performance namin kahapon dahil tumama sa birthday ni Sue Ramirez na gumaganap bilang Audrey. Pinupuri siya ng lahat bilang Theater Discovery of the Year. Hindi niya alam, pati na rin ang audience, na meron kaming surprise para sa kanya.
We know you know this song, so please sing along. This one is for David and Sue. Maestro!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Umakyat din sa entablado ang mother at family ni Sue. Birthday din ni David Estra na kasama namin sa cast, kaya pati siya binigyan din ng birthday cake.
David and Sir.
This weekend and next weekend, and that's it, Chop Close. So, make sure you tell them because this is their last chance to watch it. Thank you, everybody. Have a good day.
Sobrang saya ng Little Shop of Horrors, kaya manood na kayo!